So here is my finished food for my dogs. This is ground beef and ground chicken and mixed vegetables. It is seasoned, and these are the seasons that I use. Before I even use them, I Google to make sure that they are okay. I add some avocado oil and some sweet almond oil to the meat first. I cook the meat first, then I add the vegetables, then I add the rice. It also has brown rice. And then I had saved all of these benefits from my last dog who didn't have any teeth, and I had to give him soft food. And I am so glad that I saved these because now I pack up my dog's food here. I give my dogs 3 meals a day. They get 2.5 ounces for each of these. And so it's not a lot. I weighed out what it would be for a 15-pound dog. And so instead of giving them 2 meals a day, I give them 3. I feel better about myself, and I love my babies, and so I feel better for them.